Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing DIYs with dollar store gift bags. So let's get into the video. First DIY, I will be using this gift bag and this sign. The sign is from Goodwill Outlet and it was $5. And I found a ton of amazing bags from Dollar General this year. They came with 8 of them for only $5. So they range in sizes, but I thought that was a killer deal for gift bags. And then I'll also have some left over for Christmas as well to wrap gifts in. So the first thing I did was just size this. I did rip this off of the sign. The sign did just get a big hole in the back side, but I was able to actually piece this out pretty well. And I have to say that this gift bag really looked nice with the frame. I think it is so pretty, and this is such a large piece, and it only cost me $5 and some change. DIY is another gift bag from Dollar General, and I'm using one of those wooden houses, the shadow box type from Dollar Tree. And I did cut the gift bag down to size, and I just want to show you what the back side looked like so you know exactly what I'm using. I did not take that sticker off because it was not necessary. I was covering it up anyways. You cannot see through it. And I'm using an Elmer's glue stick for every single one of these well, I say every single one, but 90% of the DIYs, I always use Elmer's glue sticks. I think they work amazing. I also really love using them with napkins now. I did not like decoupaging to save my life, but when you start using a glue stick with napkins, it is life-changing, I promise you. But anyways, I'm just adding some greenery to the top and a bow to cover up that empty spot. And you did see a little bit of the top of the house, and it's totally okay. I think it looks pretty well, and if you're not looking at it from above, you can't even tell. For this next DIY, I'm actually using a gift bag I had from last year. I used this for my gift bag video last year, so I will link that to last year's video in the description box below. But I always save things. You can tell I save a lot of things. I'm just sizing this down for the window and using this as a cute little backdrop. These are the simplest DIYs to do. I don't do a ton of extra, but pretty much use either a hot glue gun or my Elmer's glue stick to glue the gift bags on. I think this window looks really cute. I did not take the saying off the front. I thought everything kind of looked cohesive and pretty, like it was supposed to be there, and just glued that gift bag to the back side, and that is it for this one. Another Dollar General gift bag along with the wooden tree from Dollar Tree. I just trace this out, cut it, and use my Elmer's glue stick, and you have a really cute piece. I think I'm going to actually save this one for my tier tray. I think it's just really pretty, and I love the pattern of this gift bag. This DIY, I'm using 2 of these wooden frames. My mom actually gave these to me, and I think she picked them up maybe from a yard sale, or she's probably had them for 100 years. Who really knows? Not 100 years. Sorry, Mom. Using these 2 gift bags. These are also from Dollar General. And I'm just going to be cutting them down to size and gluing them on the back sides of these frames. And I really like the idea of this because you can switch this out. I think I end up reusing these frames after Christmas or after I'm done with this DIY. I do love reusing items. If you're new here and you did not know, I love reusing items and just making different things with it. And sometimes I do get bored of the things I make and just want to make new things. I think we're all that way when it comes to decor, but I love being able to create on a budget, so we are allowed to switch our decor out so often. Just gluing these and this hot glue made these gift bags stay, and I loved the wood color, so I did not paint these frames at all. I think this just looks so pretty the way it is, and I also did it to this Merry Christmas one with the camper. Frame, this was from a yard sale. It was 50 cents, and I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in crimson and this gift bag from Dollar General once again. And I just painted the front side of the frame because we're just going to be adding the gift bag to the back side, so you're not going to be able to see that it's not painted. And that is all I did for this. You could add some greenery or things like that to any of these DIYs. I just kind of try to keep it a little simple because I have a ton of greenery and florals and things like that around my home that you can just style it with, and it just looks super pretty. And I think if you'd add more greenery or more berries or things like that, it would just look just a little too much. But I love the simplicity of this one. I'll be using this frame. This was only $1 from a yard sale, and I started by sanding it down, and I realized that this was going to take a really long time. I'm using a 60 grit sandpaper, and there just wasn't a ton of sanding. It would take me all day to do this one, and then I kind of started breaking the window frame, so I decided to just opt out of that. I'm going to use this charcoal Rust-Oleum chalk paint, spray paint, and I'm just giving this a good coat of this. It almost looks black, but it was supposed to be like a charcoal, but either way, it's fine. I'm going to end up dry brushing it just a little bit with some Waverly chalk paint in white. And it's okay that that little twine hanger piece is getting spray painted because we're going to take that off eventually anyways. I love using window panes or window frames. I think I may end up reusing this one as well. But I just ended up putting a gift bag in the back side of this, and that gift bag was also from Dollar General. Like I said, you can find some really amazing things. I have a ton of gift bags left over, so I may end up coming up with some other ideas for that. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really short and sweet, but I hope it gave you a ton of good ideas when you are using gift bags for the holidays. It's not just for wrapping. But if you guys liked it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!